This is Suna Senman returning with readings of A Course of Love. This is reading number 40. In this reading, there is an exercise, so I give you time to do the exercise. We start with the last paragraph from reading 39. Do you see now why unity and wholeness goes hand in hand? Why you cannot withhold a piece of yourself and realize the unity that is your home? Were it possible to exist in unity and still withhold, unity would be a mockery. Who would you withhold for, and whom would you withhold from? Unity is wholeness, all for all. We have talked now of what is on the surface. Let us try an experiment. Think of your body now as the surface of your existence and look upon it. Stand back from it, for it is not your home. The heart we speak of does not abide in it, and nor do you. Separate bodies cannot unite in wholeness. They were made to keep wholeness from you and to convince you of the illusion of your separateness. Step back. See your body as just the surface layer of your existence. It is what appears to be, and no more. Let it not keep you from seeing the truth, as you do not let other surface conditions hide the truth from you. Even if you have not formally found the truth, you have recognized what is not the truth. Your body is not the truth of who you are, no matter how much it appears to be. For now, let's consider it the surface aspect of your existence. We will go one step further as well. For many of you are thinking still that it is what is within the body that is real, your brain and heart, your thoughts and emotions. If your body contained what is real, it too would be real. Just as if a surface situation contained the truth, it would be the truth. If your body and what lies within it are not who you are, you feel as if you are homeless. This feeling of homelessness is necessary for your return to your real home. For were you locked up and contained within your body, and were you to accept this container as your home, you would not accept another. Your other home is the home you feel as if you have left, and the home you feel the desire to return to. Yet, it is where you are, and you could not be anywhere else. Your home is here. You think this is incongruent with the truth as I'm revealing it? The truth that heaven is your home, but it is not. There is no here in the terms that you would think of it, the terms that set your reality in a location, on a planet, in a body. God is here, and you belong to God. This is the only sense which you can or should accept the notion that you belong here. When you realize God is here, and then and only then can you truthfully say, here is where I belong. So as a course of love, we'll continue with this exercise tomorrow in the reading number 41. Breathe and give some space to see your body as the surface and see your home where it is.